Good day, students. I am Fahim Ansari, Assistant Professor, RPI Institute of Pharmacy at RPI IT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we will discuss about the emulsions. What are the emulsions and what are the types of emulsion, different types of emulsion, and what are the categories and what are the ingredients used in emulsion formulations. First is the what is emulsion. The emulsion word comes from the Latin word from milk. As the milk contain two substances, one solid and liquid, the emulsion also contains two phases. It has two phases, two different phases, or two immiscible liquids mixed when each other and used pharmaceutically are the emulsions. One is continuous phase and second is the dispersion phase. Dispersed phase is dispersed into the continuous phase into a small globules. What are the introductions are a part of more general class of two-phase system that are matter of called colloids. In this system only liquid and liquids are present which are immiscible with each other. Emulsion should be used when both the dispersed and continuous phase are liquid. Some of the examples of the emulsions are milk, mayonnaise, photographic film and cutting fluids, etc. What are the different type of emulsions? There are different types of emulsion. Generally the emulsions are classified into two types: oil in water emulsion and water in oil emulsion. But nowadays some other emulsions are also used. Multiple emulsions called water in oil and then in oil again emulsion. One is the water in oil and then again in water emulsion. And micro emulsions. Micro emulsions are nothing but which have very minute size of globules or size of particles become very less. Now what are the difference between water in oil type emulsion and water in oil type emulsion and oil in water type emulsion? Oil in water type emulsion is the dispersion medium is the oil and the dispersed phase is the water and aqueous. In water in type of emulsion, water in oil is the dispersed medium and water is the dispersed phase. Oil in water type emulsions, they are non-greasy and easy removable from the skin. Used externally to provide cooling effect, vanishing. They are generally used in the cosmetic formulations. Preferred for internal use such as a bitter taste of oil can be masked with the oil in water emulsion. But water in oil type of emulsion, they generally used for externally to prevent evaporation of moisture from the surface of skin and cold creams and most of the creams and cosmetic formulations use this type of emulsions. With the help of this diagram, we can identify what are the oil and water emulsion and water in oil emulsion. In oil in water emulsions, there are oil in less quantity and water in more quantity, and we add an agent that is called emulsifier or emulsifying agents. We mix it with, and then in the next down picture you can see that the oil is divided into globules or small particles and water is around them particles, around all those particles, while in the water in oil type of emulsion, water is in small globules and oil across that all the portion of the with the help of an emulsifier or emulsifying agent form a layer around the oil's globules or the small globules. When these globules converted into very small globules, that are called microemulsions. In the next lecture we will discuss about the different type of emulsifying agents. Thank you.